In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password on Salesforce. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll use to change your Salesforce password and update your security questions, and I'll share a few tips to make sure everything saves correctly the first time. Before we begin, make sure you're already signed into your Salesforce account and that you know your current password. If you're using a company-managed device or browser, it's a good idea to close extra tabs so you can focus on the settings we're about to open. Start on the Salesforce homepage. From here, look for your profile area. You'll typically find a View Profile option in the upper right corner near your avatar or name. Click View Profile. This brings you to your personal profile space, which includes links to update your own settings. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the user menu. It's the same place you'd go to log out. Next, open your personal settings. Click Settings from this profile area. This takes you into the section where you can manage everything that's tied to your own user account, including passwords and security questions. The layout may vary slightly depending on your organization's theme, but the options are the same. Look for the personal section if there's a sidebar, and you'll find the place to change your password there. Choose Change My Password. This opens a dedicated page with 3 password fields, and depending on your organization's policies, your security question fields just below. Start with the current password box. Click into it and type your existing password carefully. This step is required to verify that it's really you making the change. If you can't recall your current password, you'll need to recover it before you can continue with these settings. Now move to the New Password field and enter the password you want to use going forward. Salesforce enforces password rules that your organization may have customized, things like length, using both letters and numbers, or including special characters. Look for the on-screen guidelines and make sure your new password meets them. A quick tip: consider a long passphrase that's easy for you to remember but hard to guess, and avoid anything that could be publicly known about you. Steer clear of dictionary words paired with predictable numbers. You'll also want to make sure your new password is unique to Salesforce rather than reused from another service. Click in Confirm New Password and type the exact same password again. This prevents typos from locking you out. If there's an eye icon to show or hide the characters, use it to double check that both entries match perfectly. Take a moment here. Mismatches are one of the most common reasons a password change doesn't go through. Below the password fields, you may see your security questions. Click the question that asks about the city where you were born and review or update your answer. Then click the question about your mother's maiden name and enter a new answer if needed. Treat these answers like secondary passwords. Choose responses that are memorable to you but not easily guessed or publicly available. You don't have to use literal answers. Consistent, private answers work best as long as you'll remember them. When everything looks good, current password entered, new password and confirmation matching, and your security answer set, click Save. Give it a second to process. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password was successfully updated. From this point on, use your new password the next time you sign in. If you run into an error, carefully recheck the password rules on the page and make sure the confirmation field matches exactly. That's it. You started from the Salesforce homepage, opened your profile, went into Settings, selected Change My Password, entered your current password, set and confirmed a new one, reviewed your security questions, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you update your account.